Today we discuss about the odd man out topic. So in odd man out, there are three models are given in our examination. One is word odd man out, another is number odd man out, another is letter odd man out. Today we discuss about the word odd man out and number odd man out. Generally in this topic, in question 5 options are given. In these 5 options, 4 options are in same pattern, one is different. We find that option. So here the classification test is purely based on similarity that exists between the given words or things to assert the items of a given group on the basis of a certain common quality. That means we find out the different one, odd man out. So first question, wheat, barley, rice, pea, mustard. So here 5 words are given. These words are food grains. In this food grains, which one is different? That means we find out the 4 are in same pattern, one is different. So here by observation, wheat, barley, rice, pea, mustard. Except rice, remaining all are rabi crops. Except rice, remaining all are rabi crops. That means rice is not rabi crop, that one. So answer is rice is the answer. That means C is the option. Next, rice is the our answer. We go to the next question. That one is deck, quay, stem, bow, mast. So these are the tools in ships. So deck, quay, stem, bow, mast. Except quay, remaining all are parts in the ships. That means here in given 5 words, the B is the our answer. That means option B is the our answer. We go to the next question. That one is football, volleyball, cricket, chess, hockey. In our question, all the words are belongs to sports. But in these 5 sports, football, volleyball, cricket, hockey, these are the outdoor games. Here chess is the different one. That means chess is the indoor game. That means in our question, so chess is the different. So answer is chess. That means option D is the our answer. We go to the next question. That one is iron, potassium, sodium, chlorine, iodine. So in these 5 words, one word is different. That one is iron. So here remaining 4 are volatile. So except iron, remaining 4 are volatile. That means option A is the our answer. We go to the next question. Tortoise, duck, snake, whale, crow. So in these 5 words, whale is the different. Remaining all are lay on eggs. That means whale is the different one. Here tortoise, duck, snake, whale, crow. In this group, whale is the different. So whale is remaining all are lay on eggs. Next, we go to the next question. That means sixth question. Seminar, semicolon, semi-final, semicircle, semicircle, semission. So in our given 5 words, all are denoted except seminar, remaining all are denoted semi. Semi means half. That means in our question, so seminar is the different one. That means option is A. We go to the next question. That one is Asia, Argentina, Africa, Australia, Antarctica. In these 5 words, we find out the different one. So Asia is the country, Asia is the continent, Africa is the continent, Australia is the continent, Antarctica is the continent, but Argentina is the country. That means in given 5 words, 4 are continents, one is country. That means that one is Argentina. So that means our answer is B. We go to the next question. So Asia, Argentina, Africa, Australia, Antarctica. So Argentina is the answer. Next we go to the jumping, running, springing, jogging, exercising. So here 5 words are given. In these 5 words, except exercising, remaining all are physical works. That means answer is exercising. So answer is E. So next one is tea, cinchona, rubber, cardamom, chalk. So in given 5 words, chalk is the different. Remaining all are products from the trees. So trees, tea, cinchona, rubber, cardamom, chalk. Except chalk, remaining all are products from the trees. So the trees. So answer is chalk. Answer is chalk. That means option E is the our answer. Option E is the our answer. Next question. Rose, lotus, marigold, lily, tulip. In given words are belongs to flowers. So rose is the flower, lotus is the flower, marigold is the flower, lily is the flower, tulip is also flower. But in our given words, lotus is the different word. So here lotus is grows on water, remaining all are grows on land. That means so answer is lotus. So option is B is the our answer. We go to the next question. That one is manure, nitrogen, ammonia, urea, potash. In given 5 words, one is different. That one is nitrogen. So here nitrogen is not used in fertilizers. Remaining all are used in fertilizers. That's why the answer is nitrogen. That means option B is the our answer. So we go to the next question. That one is bajra, mustard, rice, wheat, barley. So these are all the food grains. So in these food grains, one is different. That one is mustard. So here mustard is oil seed. So that's why mustard is the different. So option is B is the answer. So here we go to the next question. That one is dog, lion, jackal, tiger, cheat. So in these 5 words, except dog, remaining all are wild animals. Here dog is the pet animal. So answer is dog. That means option A is the our answer. Our answer. We go to the next question. So that one is flute, guitar, sitar, violin, veena. So in these 5 words, all are the musical instrument, but one is different. That one is flute. Except flute, remaining all are string instruments. So that's why the answer is flute is the correct. That means so here A is the option. We go to the next question. Eyes, ears, hands, legs, nose. So eyes, ears, hands, legs, nose. In these 5 words, one is different. That one is nose. Because here given 4 words are with pair. Except nose, remaining all are with pair. So 2 ga untai kabatti that one is the, so answer is nose is the correct answer. Next one, we go to the next question. Answer is nose. We go to the next question. That one is curd, bitter, butter, oil, cheese, cream. So in given 5 words, one is different. That one is oil. So oil. So here oil is except oil, remaining all are the products of milk. That means oil is different. So answer is C is the correct. We go to the next question. Lake, sea, river, pool, pond. So here in given 5 words, one is different. So that one is river. In remaining lake, sea, pool, pond, the water is stagnant. Here river, so the water is flowing. So that's why so C is the answer. We go to the next question. That one is Mars, Sun, Saturn, Mercury, Pluto. So in these 5 words, one is different. That one is Sun. except sun, remaining all are planets. So here sun is the star, that's why answer is sun is the correct. We go to the next question. House, cottage, school, place, at. So here house, cottage, school, place, at. In these 5 words, school is the different because remaining all are living places. School is not a living place or a dwelling place. So that means answer is C. So in our question, so C is the option. We go to the next question. That one is tortoise, frog, rat, mongoose, snake. So in given 5 words, one is different. So that one is snake because except snake. So here only the snake is the poisonous animal. Remaining all are not poisonous animals. So answer is snake. We go to the next question. That one is tomato, cucumber, brinjal, carrot, gourd. So here 5 words are given. These are all belongs to vegetables, but answer is carrot. So here carrot grows on ground. So that's why answer is carrot. So that means option is D is the correct. Next we go to the next question. That one is radium, thorium, sodium, polonium, uranium. So in given 5 options, one is different. That one is radium. So here radium is the radioactivity element. Sorry, answer is radium, thorium, sodium, polonium, uranium. So here answer is sodium. Except sodium, remaining all are radioactivity elements. So answer is sodium. So next one, run, walk, think, jump, swim. In given 5 words, except think, remaining all are physical activities. Here think is the mental activity. That means so think is the our answer. Next one, garlic, chill, ginger, potato, sugar beet. So here in given words, one is different. That one is except chili, remaining all are modified by the stems. So answer is chili. That one is answer is B. We go to the next question. That one is calf, cub, piglet, duckling, yearling. So calf, cub, piglet, duckling, these are all the young ones of animals. So that's why these 4 are group. One is different. Yearling is a animal. So answer is E. So next one, dagger, hammer, knife, sword, blade. So in given 5 words, one is different. That one is hammer. Remaining all are so knives. That means remaining all are pointed end with sharp. So dagger, knife, sword, blade, these are used for cutting. So hammer is not used. That means hammer is the answer. Next one is screw, hammer, needle, pin, nail. So in given 5 words, one is different. Screw, hammer, needle, pin, nail. So here hammer is the different because remaining all are ending with pointed end. So screw is also ended pointed end, pin is also pointed end, nail is also pointed end, needle is also pointed end. So answer is hammer. That one is the different. That means option B is the our answer. So here we go to the next question. That one is trunk, tree, fruit, leaf, flower. Trunk, tree, fruit, leaf, flower. In these 5 words, different one is tree because here trunk, fruit, leaf, flower, these are the parts of the tree. Here tree is the all the tree. So that means remaining 4 are parts of tree. So here tree is given. That means option B is the our answer. Option B is the our answer. Next we go to the next question. That one is radio, television, computer, telephone, X-ray. In this given 5 words, one is different. That one is X-ray. So here remaining 4 are a group. So those that group is nothing but these 4 words are belongs to mass media electronic instrument or used for communication. So here X-ray is not used for communication. That's why so X-ray is the our answer. We go to the next question. That one is found an ounce, franc, dollar. So in these 5 words, one is different. That one is ounce because remaining 4 are belongs to currency. Pound is the currency, N is the currency, franc is the currency, dollar is the currency. But ounce is used for measurement of weight. That's why answer is ounce is the correct answer. That means that one is the different. So we go to the next one. Spade, knife, axe, hammer, blacksmith. So in these 5 words, one is different. That one is blacksmith because here remaining 4 are belongs to same group. That one is spade, knife, axe, hammer. These are the tools. So here blacksmith is a person. That means here that one is blacksmith is different. Next we go to the next question. That one is chicken, snake, swam, crocodile, frog. So in this given 5 words, one is different. That one is chicken because except chicken, remaining all are lives in water and land. So here chicken is only lives in land. That means remaining all are belongs to live in water and land. That's why chicken is the answer. We go to the next question. That one is tomato, gourd, brinjal, cucumber, potato. So these are all belongs to vegetables. So in these vegetables, except potato, remaining all are grows on land. So here potato is grows in underground. So answer is potato. Next we go to the next question. That one is feeling, joy, anxiety, angle, sorrow. So in this given 5 words, one is different. That one is feeling. Except feeling, remaining all are feelings. That means joy, anxiety, anger, sorrow. These are the denotes feelings. So feeling is the different. So answer is A. We go to the next question. That one is cabbage, papaya, gourd, cucumber, brinjal. So these are belongs to vegetables. So and one fruit is there. That means papaya is the correct answer. That means papaya is the odd man out because remaining all are vegetables. Here papaya is the fruit. So in given 5 words, papaya is the fruit. Remaining all are vegetables. That's why so papaya is the odd man out. So answer is papaya. We go to the next question. That one is bullock, giraffe, ass, camel, donkey. So here except camel, remaining all are used for carry the items. Bullock, giraffe, ass, donkey. These animals are used for carrying the animals. Here camel is not. Camel is also using for the objects or things. So answer is giraffe. That means in a given question, bullock, giraffe, ass, camel, donkey is there. So here giraffe is the different from the given words because remaining all are used for carrying the objects or things. So answer is B. We go to the next question. That one is cumin, groundnut, cinnamon, pepper, clove. So in given 5 words, groundnut is the different because remaining all are grows on land. So here groundnut is grows on underground. So that means groundnut is the answer. We go to the next question. That one is sweet, salty, delicious, sour, bitter. Here sweet, salty, sour, bitter. These are the tastes. So here delicious is the different. That means delicious is the different. Remaining all are taste by our tongue. So the answer is delicious. So remaining all are denote the tastiness. So here delicious is nothing but so different. We go to the next one. That one is biscuit, chocolate, cake, bread, pastry. So here except chocolate, remaining all are except chalk remaining all are used for breakfast. So answer is B. Answer is B. So we go to the next one. That one is number odd man out. So in number odd man out, the questions are based on the addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, squares, and cubes. The classification test is purely based on similarity that exists between the given numbers to assert the numbers of a given group on the basis of a certain common quality. The number which does not belongs to that group is called odd man out. So the candidate has to select odd in the given group. That means in our question, so 5 or 4 options are given. In these 4 5 options, one is different. We find out that option. We go to the questions. So the first question is 2, 12, 43, 32. So in question only 4 numbers are given. In these 4 numbers, 3 are based on the same pattern. One is different. We find out that number. Here 2, 12, 43, 32. 2 is the even number, 12 is the even number, 32 is the even number, but 43 is the prime number. So answer is C. Answer is C. We go to the next question. That one is 125, 216, 1000 and 121. So here the question is based on the cubes. Here 125 is 5 cube, 216 is 6 cube, 1000 is 10 cube, but 121 is 11 square. That means except 121 remaining all are cubes, but 121 is a square number. That means 121 is the our answer. So we go to the next question. That one is 5614, 6325, 8305, 6322. So here the question is general question. So in first one all are the different digits, in second one all are the different digits, in third one all are the different digits, but in fourth so 2 is repeated, that's why answer is D. So we go to the next question. Next one is 981, 864, 749, 635. So in this 981, 9 is the first digit, the second 9 is the first digit, the second and third digit is nothing but 9 square. That means the second and third digit is square of the first digit. So 981. Again 864. So here the first digit is 8 and the second and third digit is 6 and 4. That means here the first digit square is nothing but second and third digit. That means 8 square is 64. So here 7 is there, the first digit is 7, 7 square is 49. That means the second and third digit is nothing but first digit square. So here A option same pattern, B option is same pattern, C option is same pattern, but here first digit is 6. So that 6 square is 36, but here 35 is there. That means that one is the different. That means in our question, so the first option, second option, third option is same pattern. So D is different. That's why that one answer is D. We go to the next question. That one is 49, 81, 121, 143. Here 49 is nothing but 7 square, 49 is 7 square, 81 is 9 square, so 121 is 11 square, but 143 is not square of any number. So answer is except D remaining all are square numbers, but here 143 is not square number. That's why answer is D. We go to the next question. That one is 6318, 5315, 4309, so 3309. So here the question is based on the based on the place values of given digits. Here 6 is there, 3 is there, that means 6 into 3, 6 into 3 we get the next two digits, that means 6 into 3 18, so here 18 there. So here the third and fourth digit is nothing but product of first and second digit. Again by observation in B option also, the first digit is 5, second digit is 3, so here 5 into 3 15, that means the third and fourth digit are product of first and second digit. So here by observation again 4 into 3, 4 into 3 we get the 12, but here 9 is there. So here by observation in D option 3 into 3, so we get the 9, that means here the first two digits multiplication is nothing but third and fourth digit. So here by observation in first option, in second option, in fourth option, that means D option same pattern. So here C is the different, actually we get the 12, but here 9 is there, that's why this one is the different. We go to the next question. Sixty-six, 73, 78, 85, 61, 89, 72, 79. So here all are the two digit numbers, and each question, each option contain two numbers, 66, 73. So here 66, 73 different here. So difference is 7, that means the first number 66 is there, plus 7, then we get the next one. Again 78 is there, so plus 7, then we get the next one. So here 61 we 72 and 79 is there, so here plus 7 we get the next one. But in 61, so here plus 18 we get the 89, we get the plus 28 we get the 89. So here the difference is 7. Here in second option the difference is 7, in fourth option difference is 7, but in C option there is a difference is 28, so that's why this one is different. Next one is 64, 125, 5, 343, 7, 729, 9, 729, 9. So here the first number is based on the second number, that means here 8 is there, the relation between 64 and 8. So here second number, square of second number is nothing but first one, that means 8 square is 64, 8 square is 64. In the same way, so 5 cube is 125, 7 cube is 343, 9 cube is 729, that means 7 cube is 343 and 5 cube is so 125, 9 cube is 729, 9 cube is 729. So but 8 square is 64, 8 square is 64. So here B option, C option, D option. So the first number is cube of third number, but in first option the first number is square of second number, that means the first one is the different from the given options. Next one is 2384, 1592, 3756 and 4299. So 2384, 1592, 3756, 4299. In given 2 plus 3, 2 plus 3, 5, 5 plus 8, 13, 13 plus 4, 17. So 1 plus 5, 6, 6 plus 2, 8, 8 plus 9, 17. That means the sum of the digits are 17. In first option 17, in second option also 17. Next 3 plus 7, 10, 10 plus 5, 15, 15 plus 6, 21, we get the 21. In next option 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 9, 15, 15, 9 plus 9, 24. So but there is no, so that means some of the digits all are different. That means the question is based on the, so here 2384, 1592, 3756, 4299. So in first option, so all the digits are different. In second option also all the digits are different. In third option also all the digits are different. But in fourth option, so here 9 is repeated. That's why that one is the answer. That means option D is the our answer. We go to the next question. 126, 217, 345, 513, 730. So here 126 is so 5 cube plus 1, 5 cube plus 1. Here 217 is 6 cube plus 1, 6 cube plus 1, and 513 is 8 cube plus 1, 8 cube plus 1. 730 is 9 cube plus 1. But here 343, 345. Actually 7 cube is 343. Here the 345 is there. That means 7 cube plus 2. Here except to see remaining all are cube plus 1. 5 cube plus 1, 6 cube plus 1. So 8 cube plus 1, 9 cube plus 1. But here 7 cube plus 2 is there. That means that one is the different. So answer is C. So except to see remaining all are cube plus 1. That means 9 n cube plus in the form of n cube plus 1, where n is 5, 6, 8, 9. Except C option, remaining all are same pattern. 3, 5, 6, 2, 1, 3, 7, 9. So here by observation 3, 5, these are the consecutive odd numbers. And next one 1, 3, 1, 3 is also consecutive odd number. 7 and 9, 7 and 9 also consecutive odd number. But here 6 and 2 are even numbers. That means in given 4 options, so remaining 4 are consecutive odd numbers. Here 6 and 2 is so even numbers. That means so option B is our answer. We go to the next question. That one is 7, 18, 9, 26, 11, 36, 13, 42. So here difference is 11. Next here difference is 7, 18, 9, 26, 11, 36, D 13, 42. Here difference is 11. Here difference is 15. Here difference is 25. Here difference is 29. So here difference is 11, here 15, here 25, here 39. So here the difference is only 25, 25 is there, that 25 is a square. So remaining all are not square of remaining numbers. That means here C is the difference is for 25, that 25 is 5 square. Remaining difference is not a square of any number. That's why answer is C. We go to the next question. 236, 616, 339, 625. So in given 5 options, 4 options, one is different. So here 236, the first option contains 3 digits, one is 2, another is 3, another is 6. That means the first second digit product is nothing but third digit. That means 2 into 3 we get the 6, that 6 is nothing but third digit. Again here first digit is there, second third digit is there. 6 into 1 6, that means third digit is nothing but product of first digit and second digit. Next one here 3 is there, 3 is there, 9 is there. The third digit is nothing but product of first digit and second digit. So here first digit is 6, second digit is 2, third digit is 5. Actually according to this pattern 6 into 2 we get the 12, but here 5 is there. That means except D option, remaining all are there is a relation. The first and second multiplication is nothing but third digit. The first and second digit multiplication is nothing but third digit. Here C also, the first and second product is nothing but third digit. But in D option that one is different. So that one is the odd man out. We go to the next question. That one is 1975, 1579, 3152, 5321, 4283, 8432, 7319, 9731. So next one is 8271, 8721. So here there is a relation between first one and second one. Here 1975 is given. In this 1975 the digits are 1975. Actually so here the digits are arranged in maybe digits are arranged in ascending order or descending order in this type of question. So here 1975, in this 1975 the digits are arranged in ascending order. Ascending order means small to big 1 5 7 9. So in second option also 3 1 5 2. So here the digits are arranged in descending order. Descending order means big to small. That means in second option the digits are, the first number digits are arranged in descending order. In first option, so the digits are arranged in ascending order. Ascending order. So here by observation 4 2 8 3. In this 4 2 8 3 the digits are arranged in so descending order. Descending order. So again in option D 7 3 1. Here also the digits are arranged in descending order. So here by observation, so the digits are arranged in descending order. Here the question is based on the ascending order or descending order of the given digits. So here 19075. So the digits are arranged in ascending order. In remaining 4 options, the digits are arranged in descending order. So that's why answer A is the odd man out. We go to the next question. That one is 52, 142, 142, 54, 126, 56, 168, 58, 184. So 56, 142, 54, 126, 56, 168, 58, 184. In given 4 options, we find out the odd man out. So here the difference is 52. So here the first 52, that means individual digits are 5 2, 5 plus 2 7. That means individual digits is, we get that 7. Again 1 plus 4 5, 5 plus 2 7. That means the individual digit sum is 7. The individual digit sum is 7. Next here 5 plus 4 9. 1 plus 2 plus 6, the individual digit sum is 9. That means here 9 9. Next one is 11. 5 plus 6 11. 1 plus 6 7. 7 plus 8 15. So here 5 58. That means 5 plus 8 13. So 1 plus 8 9. 9 plus 4 13. That means there is a relation between first number and second number. Here the sum of the individual digits is 7. Again the second number sum of the individual digits also same number, we get the same number. In second option also individual digit is 9, sum individual digit sum is 9, and second number individual digit sum is also 9. That means we get the same number. So again in C option also we get the 11, and the second number also we get the here 15. That means this one is the different. In remaining 4 options we get the sum of the individual digits is same. So here C is the different. So answer is C. We go to the next question. That one is 83 75. Next one is 58 5, 49 42, 25 17. So here difference is 8. That means the first number is 83, the second number is 75. Here difference is 8. Here difference is 7. Here difference is 7. Here difference is 8. Here difference is 8. Difference is 8. So but here 58 5 is there. All that means the question is based on the not difference. So here the first option contain 2 numbers. Those numbers are 2 digit numbers. Here also those numbers are 2 digit numbers. Here also those numbers are 2 digit numbers. But in B option only the second one is contain single digit. That means single. That means remaining in 4 options each number contain 2 digits in B option. So there is no double digit. That means that one is the different. We go to the next question. That one is 8314 2709 1315 2518. So here the question is based on the sum of the digits. So 8 plus 3 11, 11 plus 1 11 plus 1 12, but here 4 is there. That means 8 plus 3 plus 1 plus 4 12 plus 4 16, we get the 16. So in next one, 2 plus 7, 2 plus 7, 9, 9 plus 9, we get the 18, 1 plus 3, 4, 4 plus 1, 4 plus 1, 5, 5 plus 5, we get the 10. So 2 plus 5, 7, 7 plus 1, 8, 8 plus 8, 16. That means here some of the digits are not common. So that means we go to the next rule. That means for example here by observation, 2 plus 7, we get the third digit, 1 into 3, 1, 1 into 1 plus 3, 4, 4 plus 1, 5. That means we get the fourth digit. Here by observation, the first sum of the 3 digits is nothing but fourth digit. Here 2 plus 7 plus 0, then we get the 4, 9. That means the sum of the first 3 digits is nothing but fourth digit. Here also by observation, 1 plus 3 plus 1, we get the 5. That means the fourth digit is nothing but sum of the first 3 digits. That one is so 5. Next one, here 2 plus 5 plus 1, so we get the 8. That 8 is nothing but fourth digit. So that means here except option A, remaining for 3 is same pattern. That means the fourth one is nothing but so sum of the first 3 digits. So first 3 digits. We go to the next question. So 23 by 21, 17 by 30. Next one is 3 by 2. Next one is 15 by 16. So here by observation, 23 by 21, 17 by 30, 3 by 2, next one 15 by 16. So in this given fraction, so here all the given numbers are fractions. So here fractions are two types. One is proper fraction, another is improper fraction. So except 3 by 2, remaining all are improper. So here 3 by 2 is a proper fraction. So that's why answer is C. We go to the next question. 84, 63, 42, 97. In given 4 numbers, one is different. We find out that number. So here 84, this 84 is divisible by 3. This 84 is divisible by 3, and 63 also divisible by 3, and 42 is also divisible by 3. So here 97 is not divisible by 3. So in given 4 numbers, the first 3 numbers are divisible by 3, but the fourth one is not divisible by 3. That means remaining 4 are divisible by 3. So remaining 3 are divisible by 3 except fourth option. So that one is the difference. Odd man out. Next one, we go to the next one. 21, 39, 51, 83. So in given question, all are the 2 digit numbers. In these 2 digit numbers, 21 is the composite number, 39 is also composite number, 51 is also composite number, but 83 is not composite number. Here composite number means any number contain more than 2 factors, those numbers are called composite number. But here 83 is the prime number, that one is so contain only 2 factors. That means in given 4 options, one is prime number, remaining all are composite numbers. So that's, we go to the next one. 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 2 by 5, 5 by 6, 6 by 8. So here given options are fractions, 1 by 2, 2 by 5, 5 by 6, so 6 by 8. So here 5 by 6 is the answer. So because this one is the based on the recurring fraction, non-recurring fraction. So here 5 by 6 is the non-recurring fraction, that means antam kaani భిన్నం. We go to the next one, that one is 2, 3. Next we go to the next question, that one is 57, 67, 77, 87. So here 57, 67, 77, 87. So in this question, except 57, remaining all are except 67, remaining all are by observation composite numbers. So here 57, 67, 77, 87. 87 is the, so here question 57, 67, 77, 87. So here 67 is the answer because 67 is the prime number. Here 57 is a composite number, 77 is the composite number, and 87 is a composite number. That means here 67 is contain only two factors. Those factors are 1 and itself, but remaining all are contain more than two factors. That's why it is called composite numbers. Here 67 is the prime number. So answer is 67. We go to the next question. That one is 2, 3, 3, 5, 5, 7, 17, 19. So here first option 2, 3, these are the prime numbers, and 3, 5, these are the prime numbers. So 5, 7, these are the prime numbers, 17, 19, these are the prime numbers. So but here by observation all the options are contain prime numbers, but in first option, so 2 and 3 also prime numbers, but here difference is 1 and 2 is the even prime number. So remaining all are contain odd prime numbers. That means here difference is 1. In remaining options difference is 2 consecutive prime numbers. 2 and 3 also consecutive prime numbers, but here difference is 1 is there, and as well as 2 is the even prime number. That means remaining all are contain odd prime numbers. Here 2 is contain even prime number. That's why that one is the answer. So odd man out is the first option. We go to the next one. That one is 111, 11. So 1111 and 11,000, 1,11,311. That means so in given options all are contain ones. So in first option contain 3 ones, next option contain double one, so next option contain 4 ones, and next option contain 6 ones. So here the question is based on the divisible rule. So here the first one is divisible by, here the question is answer is B, because it is divisible by 11, but remaining all are not divisible by 11. For example, here 111 is there, so 11 10 ja 10. It is not exactly divisible by 10. It is not exactly divisible by 11. So here 11 is there. That one is exactly divisible by 11. So here next one is not divisible by not exactly divisible by 11. Next one is also not exactly divisible by 11. That means in our given 4 options, so one is divisible by 11, remaining all are not divisible by 11. That means the question is based on the divisibility rule. So according to divisibility rule, so here the second option is divisible by 11, remaining all are not divisible by 11. So we go to the next question. 84, 63, 42 and 97, 84, 63, 42, 97. So which one is the different? So the given numbers are all are 2-digit numbers. So here in 2-digit numbers, the double of second one is nothing but first one. That means so double of 4 is 8, double of 3 is 6, double of 2 is 4, but there is double of 7 is 14. That means here in given numbers, the first digit is based on the second digit, the double of the second digit is nothing but first one, the double of the first digit is nothing but first one, the double of digit is second one is nothing but first one, but in D option there is no same pattern. That means first option, second option, third option is same pattern, but D is not same pattern. So that's why that one is the odd man out. Next we go to the next question. That one is 21, 39, 51, 83. 21, 39, 51, 83. So here given numbers, one is different, that one is 20, that one is 83, because here 21 is the composite number, 39 is also composite number, 51 is the composite number, 83 is only prime number. That means the question is based on the composite number and prime number. Except D, remaining all are composite numbers. Here D is a prime number, so that's why that one is the different. So composite number means any number contain more than two factors, those numbers are called composite numbers. So any number contain only two factors, those factors are 1 and itself, those numbers are called prime numbers. Next we go to the next question. That one is 1 by 2, 2 by 5, 5 by 6 and so next question is 9, 12, 15, 15, 20, 30. Next option is 3, 4, 5. Next option is 6, 8, 10. So here each option contain three numbers. So first one is 9, 12, 15. So here by observation 9, 12, 15. These numbers are formed right angle triangle sides. That means right angle triangle sides means one of the squares equal to one of the side equal to remaining sum of the squares of the given sides. So here 9, 12, 15. Here 9 square is 81, 12 square is 144, 15 square is 225. That means 15 square is nothing but 15. So here 9, 12, 15. So first option contain three numbers, second option also contain three numbers, and next option also contain three numbers, next option also contain three numbers. So here we find out the relation between these three numbers. So by observation the first number, option A, 9, 12, 15, these are formed, these numbers are nothing but right angle triangle sides. So here 15 square equal to 9 square plus 12 square. Again here by observation 15 square plus 20 square. So here by observation 3, 4, 5. So 3 square plus 4 square is nothing but 5 square. That means here by observation C is formed right angle triangle sides. By observation A is formed right angle triangle sides. 6, 8, 10. That means 6 square plus 8 square equal to 10 square. That means so these are also formed right angle triangle sides. But here 15, 20, 30. So these are not formed right angle triangle sides. So that's why the answer is B. So here answer is odd man out is nothing but 15, 20, 30. So we go to the next question. So that one is 676, 729, 576, 784. Except 729. So remaining all are squares. That means 24 square. So 26 square and 24 square and 28 square. But here 729 is the cube number. So this one is the 9 cube. Remaining all are so square numbers. That means odd man out is nothing but 729. In given four options, so first B is the cube number, perfect cube. Remaining three is perfect squares. We go to the next one. That one is 6, 8, 9, 12. 6, 12, 8, 9, 12, 9, 8, 6, 9, 12, 6, 8. So each option contain four numbers. So here the relation is so based on the proportion. So here proportion means product of extreme equal to product of means. Anjamla labdam equal to madhyam labdam. For example, here by observation, so 6 into 12, 6 into 12, 72, 8 into 6 into 12, 72, 8 into 9, 72. That means product of extreme ends equal to product of means. Again here observation 6 into 9, 54, 6 into 9, 54, 7 to 8 into 12, 56. So next one by observation 12 into 6, 72, 8 into 9, 72. Next 9 into 8, 72. So 6 into 12, 72. So here by observation, so product of extreme end equal to product of means in first option. In third option also product of extreme ends equal to product of means. In next option also product of extreme ends equal to product of means. So but in the second option it is not followed. That means here remaining three are in proportion, but in B option numbers are not in proportion. So that's why answer is B. We go to the next question. That one is 1, 3, 5, 7. Next one is 2, 4, 6, 8. Next one is 11, 13, 14, 17. Next one is 34, 36, 34, 36, 38 and 40. 38 and 40. So here by observation 1, 3, 5, 7. These numbers are in AP 1, 3, 3, 5, 5, 7. All are in AP. That means Ankas ready. So here 2, 4, 6, 8. Difference is 2. Difference is 2. Difference is 2. Here difference is same. So that's why. So here the given numbers are in AP. Here also the given numbers are in so AP, but these numbers are in not AP. So 11 plus 2, 13, 13 plus 1, 14, 14 plus 3, 17. That means in given 4 options, one is different, that one is third option, because here all the options are formed AP series, but in C numbers not formed AP. So we go to the next question. That one is 93, 75, 86, 42. So here given numbers, here 93, the difference between the first digit and second digit is 9 minus 3 equal to 6 and 7 minus 5, that means 7 minus 5 equal to 2. So here 8, so the difference is 8 minus 6 equal to 2. So here 4, 2, that means the difference is 4 and 2 is 2. So we get the 2, we get the 2, we get the 2, but means the difference of individual digits is we get the same digit, same number, that one is 2. But in first option we get the 6, that means that one is different, that one is different. So answer is so first option. We go to the next question. That one is 6, 28, 33, 43. So here all the numbers are except 28, remaining all are same pattern. That pattern is nothing but sum of the factors is double of the given number. For example here 6 is there. Here factors of 6 is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Sum of the factors is 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 3, 6. Here factors of 28 is 1, 4, 7, 1, 4, 7. So 1 plus 4, 5, 5 plus 7, 22. It is not equivalent to that number. That means the sum of the factors are equivalent to that number. So here 3 factors are there. So 1, 3 are the factors of 33. So again 33 also factor of 33. So here sum of the factors is 1 plus 3 plus 3, 33. So here we get the 37. Next 4, 3. So here 4, 3. So factors of 43 is 11. Today we discuss about the word odd man out and number odd man out. It is the most useful for the competitive exams. So must be practice the more questions in word and odd man out and number odd man out. Okay, thank you.